Hello explorers! For today's vlog, we are here now in Danang International Airport. Kalalapag lang natin and it's around I think 4:30 a.m. Welcome to Danang arrival sign! Picture picture! So our first stop is the Danang Beach. It is also known as the Maike Beach. So tara na guys, this is our first stop. As you can see, naglalakad na kami dito sa walkway going to the beach. Ayan, fresh from the flight pa kanina. I think it's around between 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. on that time. So, nabigla kami at ang first stop ay beach agad. Hindi kami prepared. Wow! It's a white beach! Ang saya! Ang ganda-ganda niya! At good thing about this, it's free! Walang entrance fee, guys! So, pag napunta kayo dito sa Danang, you're all free to swim here in Danang Beach. It is the 6th most beautiful beach in the world. Tirik na agad ang araw dito sa Danang. Medyo mainit, pero kaya pa naman. Kaya don't forget your sunscreens, explorers, ha? Dito mapapasabak ang coats natin. Oh my God. Ang saya-saya ko dyan, kaso hindi ako makalapit sa beach. Guess why? Ang lapit-lapit na sa beach. Papunta na sana ako. Kaso nakasandals ako. Ha, sad life. Hanggang dito lang ako sa tabi. Tingin-tingin na lang ako. Nag-shuffle kasi ng ayong itinerary tour guide namin. Kaya kung ano daw yung pwede namin magawa na is yun na muna inuna namin dahil the previous days kasi may bagyo dito sa Vietnam. So thank you Lord. Thank you for this wonderful weather. Next is the Sontra Peninsula. Dito nyo makikita si Lady Buddha. It's around 30 to 40 minutes away from the Maike Beach. Kaya halos nakatulog kami sa bus. So, ito napakainit. Kasi it's almost noon time na. Mabilis lang kami dyan kasi sobrang init talaga. Dapat always bring an umbrella pag nandito kayo. You can pray here sa mga temple inside. And for sure, whatever it is, it will be granted. Next is the Canaan Village where we're gonna ride the coconut boat ride. After namin magpahinga sa hotel, this is our afternoon activity. This is around 4:30 in the afternoon. And mga 1 hour daw kami dito. Then dito na rin kami mag-dinner. Yes, kain na naman. Ang saya dito sa Danang kasi kahit simple activity, simple place, na ma-maximize nila, nabibigyan nila ng trabaho yung mga locals, kahit medyo may edad na sila, mapababae o lalaki, they are still earning. So masaya, masayahin sila. And ayun, nagbibigay kami ng tip, pwedeng bigyan nyo ng peso or Vietnam dong. Masaya na sila nun. You can try paddling here para mas ma-feel mo yung experience na riding in a coconut boat. Nag-enjoy kami dito at the same time maalaga yung mga locals dito. safe naman. And then ayun, may libreng concert pa sa gitna ng ilog na yan. Oh ha, may tips si Kuya. Last but not the least is the Hoi An Ancient Town.
Ay, wala naman. Gusto ko to. Let's go about the surfer. Already? That's the lantern. I don't know. Para siyang yung tanto. Hindi ako yung mabubunin.
So, this is our last activity for today. So, we are here at Hoi An Ancient Town. And, by the way, our tour guide told us that there were a lot of chibogs. So, what is chibog? Or chibogs? Meaning there are a lot of food around. So, it's up to us now to take our own risk if we're gonna try those food. Kasi first day pa lang namin and we still have 3 more days to explore the City of Danang. So, let's go. Let's follow our tour guide. By the way, his name is Mr. Pogi. Because he is Pogi. So, there are a lot of shops here, souvenir shops. There are also restaurants. We are just on the other side of the Hoi An night market. There's still a lot of shops there on the other side. So, I suggest nga pala mga ka-explorer, kung punta kayo dito sa Hoi An, dito na kayo mamili ng mga souvenirs. Mura dito.
Yan kanta din sa Hanoi. Hanoi. Hoi An. Hoi An. Parang Hoi An. Ang tangkad. Yeah. Kaya pag nakita niyo si An, sigaw niyo ay Hoi.
One thing that I look forward to here in Vietnam is to buy Kipling bags. Kasi I'm a fan of Kipling bags. So here in Hoi An, I found a shop where they have a lot of Kipling bags. That shop on the left side is the shop that is selling Kipling bags, also North Face bags. Any style, any sizes, they have it. And also they accept Philippine peso or Vietnam dong. This shop also accepts credit card as mode of payment. So alam niyo na kung anong pinamili ko. Alam niyo na kung anong mga inuwi ko sa Philippines. So we ended this day with lighting the candle, making a wish, and letting it flow in the river of Hoi An. By the way, nag-stop over din nga pala kami sa Dragon Bridge. I hope nag-enjoy din kayo dito sa first day namin sa Vietnam. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Valerie Explores.